Ever noticed how when someone yawns, you suddenly feel the urge to yawn too? But why do we yawn in the first place? Yawning actually helps regulate your brain temperature. When you're bored, tired, or even stressed, your brain heats up and slows down. Yawning brings in a rush of cool air, helping your brain stay alert. But why is it contagious? It's all about mirror neurons, the parts of your brain that trigger empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain subconsciously mimics it. It's a leftover survival instinct that helped early humans sync group behavior, like resting together or staying alert. Fun fact, even dogs can catch yawns from humans they trust.